trauma bond might seem like a positive thing, like two people are bonding over an experience of trauma. That might be something positive, but a trauma bond is actually not a positive thing. It is an attachment that we have in a relationship that oftentimes is abusive, negative, and something that is not an experience that people actually enjoy or benefit from. So an example might be in a romantic relationship. There are two people who are dating and things might seem a little strange at first, like maybe there's a little bit of your partner trying to isolate you. The person might be looking to keep you away from family and friends. You might see some controlling behavior, and then oftentimes things can be harmful or abusive. And so the cycle of this trauma bond is that when this happens, the episode of harm or abuse takes place, there's then a period of romanticizing or the honeymoon stage. And in this trauma bond, the person who is the victim often becomes dependent on the relationship with their abuser or their harmer. So after an incident takes place, there might be a phase of gift giving, apologies, the perpetrator saying they're not going to do things like this. It might even remain calm for a little bit after the incident took place. But then again, the cycle repeats itself. And this can be extremely damaging in a relationship for many reasons: self-esteem, mental health, personal safety. But the trauma bond is an attachment that takes place between these individuals who become dependent on the relationship. And it's important to break the cycle of dependence and provide a safe space for the person to feel like they have an open platform to talk about the abuse, resources to try and get out of the environment. But a lot of times those red flags that people might initially see might be disguised as, oh, the person really cares about me, they want to look out for my best interests, they're trying to protect me from the outside world, or they might even start to kind of brainwash you to believe that your family and friends are not good for you or causing you harm. So there's many stages of the trauma bond that need to be addressed during the healing process. And if you're struggling with a trauma bond or an abusive relationship, we always recommend therapy, getting to a place, again, where you feel safe, you can talk about what's happening, and also be able to provide resources. I hope this helps. Thanks.